Take 1 packet of strawberry flavour Angel Delight, add 1 pint of milk, whisk until thick and creamy, and abracadabra, strawberry flavour milkshakes. Angel Delight, much more than a dessert.
Take 1 packet of banana flavour Angel Delight, add half a pint of milk, whisk until light and fluffy, and freeze into banana flavour iced lollies. Angel Delight, much more than a dessert. I think I'll just tidy this up. Yes.
Take 1 packet of butterscotch flavoured Angel Delight, add half a pint of milk, whisk until light and fluffy, freeze and serve. Angel Delight, much more than a dessert.